Today, we'll be making some dinner rolls. They don't look the best, but they taste phenomenal. I couldn't believe how good these things came out. In fact, they were so good. Notice I'm opening with a still shot. I originally wanted to, open one up, show you the inside, but that shot came out blurry. And by the time I realized it, these things were already gone. That's how fucking good they are. So let's get started. Here's how I made them. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Chop up 3/4 of a large white onion and half a can of Spam. Put them in a mixer. Add 2 cups of milk, garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of basil, crushed red pepper, about 4 ounces of shredded cheese, 2 melted tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, begin stirring all that together. While everything's getting stirred up, we're going to gradually add about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Roll the dough into even balls on a cookie sheet. Now we'll throw them in the oven for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, these things seem done enough, so we'll yank them out of the oven. And there you have them. Here we go, moment of truth. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay, now we will stick these in the oven, and fuck.